HR clerk peon, this is in the rows, and here this is now converted into column. So let's see how to do that. So first here going to use their mapping designer. Let's take their one source. So source that's come from the this here flat file, and now let's see the record inside the flat file. So let's triple click on this triple dot, and now all files here. This is the emp is the file, empx is our file, and this is the record. Okay, so the next is we need to take their expression transformation. Expression transformation, and now let's select this all. Double click on this expression transformation, go to port. Here we need to create their 3 port. So one for HR. So writing there one for HR. The next that's for clerk, and the next that's for peon, and this all decimal type because here you can see the value of HR here on this output port, the value of HR clerk peon, this all numeric values there, so that we need to take their decimal, and this must be output port, and there we need to write the expression if job. So let's go on this port here. If jobs equal to HR, then that return sal, else that return null. So let's copy this, and now click on this OK, and here if job equal to the next is clerk, then that return sal, else return null, and here if job equal to peon, then that return sal, else return here null. So 3 output port. Okay, and after that click on this apply OK, and the next is let's take their aggregator transformation. So aggregator transformation, and here selecting this all, and there go on this port, and here we need to add 3 extra port. Right there port name giving HR, and the next is clerk, and there peon, and this all should be decimal, and this here this all should be output port, and here let's write there max, and here go to port. So OHR, and this here max, O clerk, and thereafter here max, giving here O peon. So this is there. So this return, because here the expression inside the aggregator transformation. So inside the expression aggregator transformation, if this match there, if job equal to HR, then this return sal. This also return if condition is not matched with the HR, then that return null. So that here this return sal value or null value. So here due to given this max value of OHR, so this OHR that's come there. Okay, so max value is now OHR, so that here this comparison the sal value with the null. So 7000 greater than null, so obviously 7000, so that here 7000 that returned there, or any numerical value that return. And the next is this going to make that input port. So input port here, sal also, and these two making in group by, because if you go on this source, here you can see EMP number and name. This all are duplicate. So that giving here group by. And now click on this apply OK. Apply OK, and thereafter let's take their one target. So target is dummy Z. Dummy Z is our target, and now so here this is the file, output file, going to delete there. So now let's stabilize the link, EMP number, name with the name, and there here you can see three extra port is there, HR, clerk and PO. So stabilize the link, thereafter save that. So mapping is valid, and here let's go on this workflow manager, and let's take there one session. So here reverse normalization, this is our mapping reverse normalization. Let's click on this OK. After the next is double click there, here mapping, and this is we need to give their file location, source file directory. So let's click there. This is EMPX, you can see, and let's copy this, and here let's paste there. The next is dummy Z. So this here we need to get the output. So let's go there. So creating the files on this desktop, and here the next is header option. Let's select your output field name. Let's apply OK, and now go on this link task, and save that, and here right click there, start the task. So start the task. Here you can see this succeeded, and if I go on there, so here you can see on this source 9 rows that's come there, and target 3 that's applied there. So let's check the output there on this target. So this is the this is dummy Z. Here you can see this is the record that's come there. Now EMP number, this value 231, name, HR, clerk, peon. EMP number is not in order wise, so we need to make that in order wise. So for order wise, if source is relational table, from there you can insert the source qualifier, you can make that number of port or the value of 1. But this is flat file is there, so going to use there one sorter transformation. Selecting this tools, and here selecting this threes. So making EMP number in the ascending order, apply OK. Thereafter select this all, and here paste it there. Now refresh the session also, and here right click and start the task. So this running, this succeeded 9 and 3. Now you can see there, here on this, here you can see this is now order wise, EMP name or EMP number 1 to 3, name this HR, clerk, peon. So this is our input, and after applying this mapping here, the output that I'm getting this format. 1 second, this is the input record, and this here, this is the output record. So what I'm going to repeat this all. So here I'm using the expression transformation. So expression transformation, 3 extra port that added decimal type. So the condition is here. This is the source file is there. So condition is here, if job equal to HR, job HR HR is there, then return the cell value. So 7,000 that return, here 7,000, here 8,000. But if sometimes job is not HR, cleric is there, peon is there, so this return null value. This is the condition for other three ports, clerk and peon. So if job equal to clerk, then here clerk, then that return 7,000. Here this condition is there, null, job equal to HR, then job equal to clerk, this is not true, then that place that return null. Okay. So if this that return here 5,000, this return here null, this return null, and this return 6,000. So if that match, then return the salary. If that not match, then that return here or numeric this value 6,000, 7,000. So this I have done inside the output port. And on this aggregator transformation, what I have done there, so max OHR. So what exactly happening with the source? So this place, if job equal to HR 7,000, but here this return cleric is there, so this place that return null. So this return null. So here 7,000 null null. So this is, so here max that's compare. So here 7,000 is the creator. So that max aggregate function there I'm using. And here you can see EMP number and the name. This is duplicate so that this making on this group by. Okay, so this I have done, and after that here I have taken the sorter transformation to sort the record, EMP number, and this all that's loaded into the target.